So it's one of those deals as a forecaster, and I've done this a long time. What could go wrong here? What's going to change in the next 48 hours? Well, the consistency in the forecast is great because that continues to drive the message here that it's going to snow this weekend and it's going to be pretty healthy, and there will be some areas that get double-digit snowfall. This beautiful sky masks what's unfolding today, doesn't it? It turned cold. We've got Arctic air in place, a temperature in Speedway at 8. We're only 2 afternoons removed from a 47-degree high temperature. The airport temperature is at 10 degrees. The wind out of the north and west at 14 miles per hour is producing a wind chill currently of 6 below, and it's quiet and it's dry. And it will remain that way tonight. We will be in pretty good shape for much of the day on Saturday. Earlier in the week, the thinking was that the snow would really spread and overtake the area by afternoon and evening, but that has slowed down, which was something we pointed to last night. The other thing, and another trend that I've been watching carefully, is that this may come in a couple of pieces. We get a shot of snow Saturday evening, and then maybe a little bit of a lull, and then it really ramps up for Sunday. But right now we're dry and we are significantly colder. The air temperature is 20+ degrees colder than it was 24 hours ago. Not much of a gust, but from time to time up over 20 miles per hour. Bottom line is it's an uncomfortable and dangerous wind chill. Wind chill is 6 to 10 below, and it's going to get even colder overnight as we push the wind chill later tonight and into early tomorrow morning back to levels like we had early. That front came through the area, and with it comes these brutally cold wind chill values that were as low as 50 degrees below zero last night up in Duluth. And it is still dangerously cold, and those wind chill advisories, these extreme weather cold warnings have been expanded. And we have dozens upon dozens of states under an advisory for the cold and under advisories for the wintry weather. There's that Arctic air that's continuing to surge south, and it will continue to have some real staying power. As a matter of fact, I looked at the 16-day numbers, and we are going to be hard-pressed over the next maybe 10 to perhaps 2 weeks to get back above freezing. This cold weather and this pattern is locking in. The polar branch of the jet stream is digging south. The southern branch is coming northeast, and that's where all of this moisture is expected to meet, overrun the colder air, and you've got real wintry weather as far south as southern Texas. Wind and rain and snow are likely going to be with the storm in the warmer section, and then it gradually changes over to freezing rain, icing storms. These are ice storm conditions here. Winter storm warnings have been expanded right here into central Indiana. And again, the feeling still is that we're going to have a broad area. Almost everybody here is going to wind up with at least 6 inches of snowfall. However, there will be bands of more moderate to heavy snow from I-70 and points south and east. So what we are continuing to monitor is the track, the timing, the type, and the temperature. That's my 4 T's of a winter storm. And with that storm scooping up moisture, really bringing it off the Pacific and off the Gulf, there is a lot of juice to work with here, especially from Indianapolis and points south. That's why it will be a considerable icing event, and that's why it will be a considerably large swath of very heavy snow from central Oklahoma through central southern Indiana, northern Kentucky, Ohio, all the way up into Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine. This is Sunday morning. The snow has overtaken the area, and it's pretty steady. So it will come in spurts tomorrow night, but really load up as we head toward daybreak on Sunday, and it should snow for the balance of the day. The storm system will eventually start to pull off to the east by Sunday night. The snow may begin to cut off between 8 and 10 p.m., but the winds will begin to whip up behind this system, and that's why we feel there will be considerable blowing and drifting snow right into Monday morning. These numbers, again, have been very consistent. That's a 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch of moisture. You take that, combine that with how cold the air is, and you get essentially more bang for the buck. You can fluff up the snowfall. Instead of a 10-to-1 ratio, conservatively, 15 or even 20-to-1 could show up, and that's why the snow probabilities for at least seeing 4 inches is quite high across the area. This is 6 inches, still quite high, but you can see the shading here from Indianapolis south and east where the 8 inches or even 10-inch amounts are a little higher. Not much change to my going forecast. I do feel that Indianapolis is still in line for upwards of 10 inches of snow. So our band is 8 to 12 and maybe some higher totals, especially south and east. Bottom line is going to be very challenging weather, especially on the back half of this weekend and to start off our work week. Temperature tonight will dip down to near zero. That wind chill will drop to at times near 20 degrees below zero. We will open Saturday dry. The clouds will thicken. Snow will develop late in the day and become steady after dark and perhaps heavy at times on Sunday morning through Sunday afternoon. Wind and cold continues, and the temperatures could go as cold as 10 below zero Monday morning, and another blast of Arctic air hits on Wednesday. We may not see the freezing mark for at least 10 days, maybe up to 2 weeks. Cold wave and a winter storm all this weekend.